So first and foremost, it's important to have a hobby. A hobby or a passion is definitely helps. And I'm sure there's plenty of psychologists out there that can back me up on this.
You're goddamn right.
It's a stress reliever. So for me, my passions include working on my car, filming YouTube videos, editing, and on the occasion I work on scale model cars.
No shit.
But my main passion is working on my Civic.
What?
But how do I find time to do that? Well, I keep a pretty flexible schedule.
Stretch Armstrong.
And I'm fortunate and lucky enough to have a wife that supports me 100%.
Major Iceport will accompany you as your wife.
Especially considering her automotive background. Her father was a mechanic, builder. She worked at a reputable parts house. She understands my passions, my hobbies, and my desire to want to create.
Our mom says that our dad is a real sex machine.
Because I am not only a automotive enthusiast, but I'm an artist too. So I'm constantly thinking of new ways to create things.
You disgust me. Go on.
So how I find time being a father and a husband is I make time.
Surprise, motherfucker.
I have a pretty typical schedule, Monday through Friday, 9 to 5.
I can tell you I don't have money.
Or 6:30 to 4, whatever. But that's pretty much my schedule. It's a everyday schedule, just like anybody else.
Perfectly balanced, this whole thing should be.
I make time to work on the car after work. So I'll allot myself maybe an hour after work, 2 hours at most, until it's time to eat dinner.
Pizza time.
The main time frame that I work on the car is on the weekends. So usually I set a day for Saturday.
Are you out of your goddamn mind?
Saturdays are typically my work on the car days.
But why though?
That's when I'm able to edit, record, work on the car, and get the content out. My wife understands that. My kids understand that.
I can't tell if you're angry or not.
I'm not. I'm totally not angry.
My wife and I have really tight communication. We talk about anything and everything.
You and I are gonna have a conversation.
She is my companion, my best friend, my biggest supporter, and my biggest fan. So anytime I have something that I need to work on, she's pretty well understanding, which that helps out a ton.
Thank you.
Like I said, usually I find time on the weekends, mainly Saturday. Sunday I devote to a strict family day, and pretty much for the most part, the rest of the week is pretty much devoted to family.
You don't turn your back on family.
Except for the 1 or 2 days that I can get out to the garage. But typically it's on a Saturday. Now, you as a busy individual, how do you find time to do that? I know it can be very difficult, but the easiest answer that I can give you is you have to make time. Even if it's an hour a day.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Right? Just like those fitness videos. Give yourself 15 minutes a day and you'll see results.
True fitness breakthrough that can transform anyone from unfit to unbelievable, all in as little as 10 minutes a day.
Give yourself at least 1 hour a day. That's really all you need. And that goes into whatever passion or hobby projects you guys have, whether it be painting or filming and editing or building scale models. Maybe you're a gamer. Give yourself 1 hour a day. The reason why I say that is, one, you don't get overwhelmed by it. So you definitely have to have some self-control and some responsibility.
Yeah, no, I don't take responsibility at all.
You have to have patience because you're not always going to have the time in the day to work on your passions or your projects.
Son of a bitch!
The worst thing you can do in life is work, eat, sleep, work, eat, sleep.
It's like people only do things because they get paid. And that's just really sad.
Einstein's definition of crazy is doing the same thing over and over again, expecting different results. Imagine putting that to real life where all you do is work, sleep, and eat. You have no passions, no hobbies. Eventually, it's going to wear on you. So, for all you 25 to 50-year-old men out there who that's all you do is eat, sleep, and work, good on you if you can sustain that. But a hobby or a passion is definitely helps.